Hello everyone on YouTube. I just came in from snow in this really bad winter storm, and it's really just, feels like ever felt like you're gonna have a heart attack after all this snow coming down. Well, feel free if anybody felt the same way after shoveling the snow today. It's about 6:37 p.m. here in Chicago. If anybody ever, feel free to type in the comments section if you have had the same experience and whatnot and what you've done. Um, and feel free to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thank you so much. Talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.